Soundwave reports that the Autobots have somehow managed to overcome Grindor. Find him. Grindor must be revived and brought to safety. Soundwave watches from above. He will help us locate Grindor.
Autobot contacts close to your position.
It will take a moment to bring back alive. Rise, Grindor, you idiot!
Extraction point transponder active.
Proceed to the extraction point. Operational. Grindor has been successfully revived and rescued. Our master will be pleased. Yes, Long Haul. But for now, I am pleased, and that is enough. Now that we have made the first move, we will continue to strike until we drive the Autobots from this planet. The Fallen will rise again. All hail the Decepticons! Our mission was accomplished with unusual speed. Yes, they never knew it hit them. Too bad. I am surprised and pleased by your efforts.